Welcome guys. So in this video we'll be looking at how can we compile our Java program into an actual executable that we can run or we can port to other computers to run. So we would like to see how that can be done. So there are two steps in trying to get this achieved. The first one being compile the .java file into the .class file or the bytecode. Now the bytecode or the .class files are files like we introduced when we are talking about Java. When you compile your Java application, it will compile to .class files, and which is the bytecode. And then when you run your Java program, the JVM will read this bytecode and be able to run the program. So the command to use for that is javac, and if you have your Java installed, then you have access to this command. I shall explain later how this works. So that is compile.java files to .class files, and this is a very fast step. Okay, so the second step is package the .class files into a .jar package for the JVM. So the .jar package is actually what we consider as the runnable or executable file for Java. So this will get all the .class files that you have in your project and put them under one file and call it the .jar package. And so that one there is what we shall be running, or that's what is portable from one computer to another as the Java program. And the command to use for that is the jar command of Java, and it can take several other options like CFE, and then you must tell it what's the name of the jar that you want to build, where is the main class, which is the class in which the main method is, where the Java application will start from, and then you must tell it in which folder is your .class files that you compiled in step 1. You must point that part out. Let's see how to do these two steps on an actual project. So we have our hello world project here. So cd into the folder hello world. We can see we have our source folder there. Get inside it. We have another folder called hello world. And then we cd into hello world. And we can see we have our hello world.java class. And so let's take a step back to the root of the to the hello world level of the project, and then now we can run our java command. So we shall say javac and then hello world. We need to tell it where our .java file is, so it's at where we are, then hello world, then any other java classes that may be in that folder. We want to build them into class. So our javac has run. And so let's get back inside the hello world folder, and then we can see hello world.class has been added. Okay, so that's the first step. So let's cd back to where we were, where we ran the java command at, and then we'll try to run the jar command now. So the jar command, cfe, those are the options we'll use, and then we'd like it to be called hello world.jar. And then we'll give it the path to our main, which will be hello world then slash hello world. That's where our main class is. And then we shall give it also the path of where the .class file that we just compiled in step 1 are, and they are just at hello world slash everything that is class file in there. We want to build all that, and then we run successfully. And so we can see now we have another folder, another file called hello world.jar as a package. So we have successfully run this. So let's now run this program, and to run a Java program you have to say java-jar hello world.jar, and there you go, it is successfully run and outputting hello world, which is the system .out.println. And so that's it. We have been able to compile our program. So you can now get this hello world.jar file and take it to any other computers on which Java is installed, and to just run it with java-jar hello world.